There is one book people open in moments of fear, in seasons of loss, and in quiet nights when they're searching for meaning. Some call it sacred. Some find it confusing. Many have never opened it at all. It has shaped civilizations, comforted the broken, and raised questions that still echo today. But before opinions, before beliefs, there's one honest question worth asking. What is the Bible, really? Is it just an ancient book, a collection of old stories, or something meant to guide real people through real life? For centuries, people have turned to the Bible in moments of fear, loss, hope, and searching. Not because it answers everything easily, but because it speaks to something deeper. So today, let's slow down and ask one simple question. What is the Bible? The Bible is a collection of writings. It's not a single book written at one time. It's more like a library, made of many books, written over many centuries. And it was written by many kinds of people: kings, shepherds, prophets, poets, doctors, ordinary people. Inside the Bible, you'll find history, poetry, letters, prayers, wisdom, and stories about human struggle, faith, failure, and hope. Even the word Bible comes from a Greek word that means books. So when people say the Bible, they're really talking about many books brought together into one. And even though it was written by different people in different places across different times, the Bible tells one unfolding story. It's the story of God, humanity, brokenness, and restoration. The Bible doesn't hide human weakness. It speaks openly about fear, doubt, anger, betrayal, and suffering. But woven through all of it is a central message that God seeks relationship with humanity and offers guidance, forgiveness, and hope. For Christians, this story reaches its center in Jesus, his life, his teachings, his suffering, and his message of love. Now, it also helps to understand what the Bible is not. The Bible is not a science textbook. It's not a rule book designed to control people, and it's not meant to silence questions. In fact, many of its pages are filled with questions. People asking God, why? How long? And where are you? The Bible invites reflection more than blind acceptance. It's meant to be read thoughtfully, not rushed, and never used as a weapon. So why do millions of people still read the Bible today? Because many find in it comfort during pain, wisdom during confusion, and hope when life feels overwhelming. Some read it to understand God, some read it to understand themselves, and some read it simply because they're searching for meaning. The Bible doesn't promise an easy life, but it speaks honestly about life as it is, and it points toward peace, purpose, and transformation. So how should you approach the Bible? You don't need to be an expert to begin. You can read it slowly, with curiosity, with questions. You don't have to understand everything at once. The Bible was never meant to be consumed in a hurry. Sometimes, one verse, one story, or one quiet reflection is enough for today. So what is the Bible? It's a collection of voices across history, pointing toward truth, meaning, and hope. And whether you're deeply faithful, uncertain, or simply curious, the Bible remains an open invitation to read, to reflect, and to search for truth, one truth at a time.